Hey everyone, it's Desiree, and I know it has been a while, but here's another collection haul from Scrappy Tales. Very excited for this. Now, this collection is called the English Garden Wedding, which is absolutely beautiful. And it focuses, when it comes to wedding, it is going to focus on all areas. Engagement, wedding, anniversary. So everything that flows or follows with that. And then there is even a sentiment on one for with sympathy. No pun intended there. Just saying. All right, so let's walk through our dies. As always, large collection. Die is the focus for Sarina, and that is something that I very much enjoy. Me and my die cutting machine, you know, we're getting close to being back on speaking terms. Okay, so let's go through the individuals. This one here is the uppercase monogram with wax seal. So this is great. You can use this to put initials in here so that you can create your own look of a wax seal. So if you didn't want to get into that hobby as well, you can actually make your own with your cardstock. That is what they would look like when you die cut them. And again, these are the uppercase. And then you can also grab, there is a lowercase monogram set as well. Now, this collection is available now up on her channel, and as always, she has created some bundles so that you can save money as well. I will have a link down to the English Garden collection specifically, and also to her shop if you just wanted to check it out. Next die is the wedding couple. So as always, you get the base, and then you get your add-ons so that you can put your cardstock colors on top. This is what they will look like. And you get two sentiments: with love on your wedding day. So when it comes to the with love on your, you can make that cut and just have with love, or you could just have on your wedding day. So you can change that up just a little bit. Next one here is the engagement couple. Okay, so again, base, and then all of your pieces to add your colors to create your scene. And then the sentiment here is congratulations on your engagement. I like the fact that there's two fonts. There's a shadow in the back, so that your sentiment can sit on top of that. Here we have the anniversary couple, which I think is really cute. So we have a bench, and then again, your base with all of the pieces to layer your image. We have some birds, pigeons, cute, and then we have the sentiment that will have, or that will state happy anniversary. So lovely set there. Absolutely lovely. We have a fountain with birds. All right, so we have this big, beautiful fountain. You will be able to have the water flowing. This is how that will look, those pieces. And then we have a few couple little birds that we will be able to add to that. So that's different, unique. I'm looking for, oh, here we go. This is an RSVP pocket. Now, yeah, I'm excited for this one. This one's going to be awesome. So here we have the pocket here, and then this is the plate that will sit on top of that. This is what it looks like. Beautiful detail, fine die cutting there. We have kindly, reply, RSV, and details. Those are the dies included in that as well. We also have the Save the Date lace wing pocket. Loving the fact there's pockets going on here. So nice size from here to here. That's the relationship to my hand. And this is what this will look like. Of course, you get the sentiment, save the date. And then this here, you get this whole pocket. I do like the fact that she's created a base for it. Okay, so you've got this solid piece as well so that these won't get caught up in anything that you're putting there. And then you have this beautiful image of a floral that is part of it as well. We have topiary trees, so nice tall. We have the layers so that you can create the different textures, depth. This is what they will look like. So great addition to add on. We have, well, the A7 willow tree cover plate. Beautiful. All right, nice A7. You know me, I love a card with real estate. And then you have the sentiment. Here's where the with sympathy is. So a little extra of a sentiment. This is a layering die as well, because you're able to layer the tree part and really have that stand out. Here we have, and I think we are getting into the pop-ups now. Yes. Yes. Oh, here's another. So I had shown the, I knew I was missing something. So here we have the larger size topiaries. All right. We also have additional topiaries that are a little smaller in size. I love the different colors and layers that she provides as well. I think it could add some really neat interest to each of those images. Okay, so let's talk add-ons to the trifold pop-up, if we would. So let's start off with the Elegant Garden Gate trifold add-on. So very detailed, very dainty die cutting. Grab that shim for your die cut machine. This is great for the side panels. So you could use, and again, you use the trifold base. And she has that listed within this collection as well. And then these could be the two side pieces that come in around it. Very versatile die, can be used for celebrations, weddings. You could decorate this up for Christmas. You could definitely decorate this up for Halloween. So very versatile die on that. And again, it's an add-on. We also have the wedding trifold add-on. So here, this is the one panel. Okay, so your sides, and then here's the center. And then this even has the hinges for the side as well. So you have happy wedding day, other sentiments. And if I take this out, this is what that will look like. Best wishes to the new Mr. and Mrs. Some leaves, but a really nice, just a trifold that would be able to sit on a mantle and be a beautiful statement piece for the new couple. Next up, we have the A7 Belly Band Trifold Add-on. So here, this is what the pieces look like. Now this is the pull down, so that also includes that pull down piece, because remember her trifold, not only does it come in on the sides, but you can also have this piece that comes down as well. So this one has that, and this is what this would look like. So very elegant with the cuts that you have that are going on. Then we have something a little different. This is the Swan Lake and Bridge Trifold Add-on. Beautiful scene. We have our swans. We definitely have the lake. And then, of course, this is what those pieces would look like. So definitely the side panel, the center, adding a little bit of dimension to the bridge. So you have a different look on that. All right. Next, we have the Topiary Wing Trifold Add-on and the Bistro Table and Chair Wing Add-on. Okay, so what these are those side panels. So you can have a certain center, and then these will be your sides. So here is the topiary, and then here's that wing edge that can wrap around your card base. Here's the gate, let's just call it a gate. And then here is the wraparound part. But this is what they would look like. So you can change out the wings of the card. And then for this one, this is the bistro. So here's your side wing there and your side wing here. So your wraparounds, you have the little bistro chairs, and then you have the small, we'll call it a garden, coming off of it as well. So these are great accent pieces to add to your trifolds that you have. Now, she created another wraparound pop-up. I don't really remember. I believe it was back for Easter. There was like a trellis, and it had a wraparound. She's created another one, and this one's called the gazebo wraparound. So beautiful. So this is the part that is the pop-up off the front. You have the base, all the beautiful flowers. This says thinking of you, and this is what that will look like. So absolutely gorgeous. And again, this is the pop-up part there. And last but not least, she has created a gazebo pop-up structure. Okay, meaning you can create your own gazebo pop-up. And it will, 3-day gazebo pop-up. All right, these are all the pieces here. And again, this is just the piece here. I know Sarina has been doing some sneak peek lives. I've been in there and just been wowed over the creations that her and her mom have done so far. I know they do not sleep, either of them, before a collection. This is absolutely beautiful. It's elegant. It's very versatile. It's not limiting when it comes to the creations. You can definitely use these for many different celebrations. and events. But it's nice to also have something for weddings and anniversaries. Sometimes there's just not enough of those items to come out when we need those, or if we want to have something that is specific for them. Now, she also does have a free gift. If you spend over $125, you get this beautiful bow, die cut, and of course it has layers. Let me pull this out so we can see all the layers there. So you'll be able, this is your base, and then you layer in these two pieces here and this here so that you can create the dimension on the bow. And then of course this is also available separately, but will be a free gift if you spend that. And as always, this is just a couple of colors here, but we've got some gems and pearls and some pearls here. She makes great mixes for embellishments for your cards. Great value, and you get a lot. It takes you a while to get through them, but love these two color schemes. So that there is the new collection by Scrappy Tales called The English Garden. I hope you enjoyed it. I am also good. The first thing that I'll link you to is Sabrina's YouTube channel so that you can go see her sneak peeks. And she also has a Facebook group where she does all kinds of things there too as well. And you can see so many other creations using her products also. So I'll have that linked down below also. So I hope you enjoyed this. You guys know I enjoy showing you this haul when it comes to her collection. And if you have any questions, please make sure you leave those down below. Would love for you to hit that subscribe button, hit the thumbs up, make sure you ring the bell, and hopefully you're notified. I'm just saying, yeah, it's a hit and miss there. But I hope to see you here. I hope you enjoy the videos. Most of all, though, what I want you to do is just enjoy the process. Have fun creating your art. Have fun creating new things. Just enjoy. Don't get stressed. But most of all, always remember, be crafty or be creative in everything that you do every day, and continue to stay safe and healthy. But most of all, I will talk to you in the next one. And until then, take care.